A woman accused of being an evil stepmother is set to plead not guilty tomorrow. Kimberly Sullivan is back in court in the morning. Thanks for joining us, everyone. I'm Kara Sundlin. The stepmom is accused of torturing her stepson for 20 years and continues to deny all allegations as the state pushes for stricter bond conditions. Your reporter Dylan Fearon is live outside of Waterbury Courthouse with what we can expect. Dylan?
Well, Kara, two big things expected tomorrow morning. The first is Sullivan's not guilty plea. The second is the state wanting Sullivan placed under house arrest for this whole process. They want to know where she is at all times. Kimberly, if you've done nothing wrong, why is your stepson 68 pounds? Kimberly Sullivan rushed out of the courthouse Wednesday, hopped into a car and was driven off. A chaotic and intense morning. Tomorrow is expected to be similar. Sullivan posted her $300,000 bond 2 weeks ago, so she's free, despite the horrifying allegations. But the state filed a motion to change the conditions of her release. The state's attorney's office wants Sullivan under electronic monitoring with house arrest. At a minimum, some sort of GPS monitoring to track her, writing, the current conditions of the release are insufficient to ensure Sullivan's appearance in court and for public safety. Adding, the allegations are of such serious nature over such an extended period of time. Her attorney says Sullivan is denying everything, that she allegedly held her stepson captive, locking him in a room for at least 22 hours a day for 20 years, giving him minimal food and water, never taking him to the doctor or the dentist, even forcing him to use bottles and newspapers instead of the restroom. The 32-year-old victim was 68 pounds when he was rescued last month after setting their house on fire. Sullivan's attorney, John Kalitis, feels his client's already been convicted by the public, but that the full story isn't out yet. Telling Channel 3, in America, there is a presumption of innocence. Our objection to the motion will be known on Friday. The allegations are just that, allegations. In the eyes of the law, Ms. Sullivan is innocent until proven otherwise in a court of law. So, Kara, the judge will have a big decision to make in the morning. We've heard from Kimberly Sullivan's attorney. We've heard from the victim's family over the last couple of weeks. We still haven't heard from Kimberly Sullivan herself. Maybe that changes in the morning. I'm your reporter live in Waterbury, Dylan Fearon, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.
Dylan, thanks. And ahead on Eyewitness News at 6.